Okay fam, so this restaurant is a Korean all you can eat. What's up CNS family? We're back with another vlog. It's your girl Sarah.
It's your boy Tux.
Welcome back to our channel.
Our family, so today is Sunday. Church is already finished and we're off to our band dinner that has been postponed for a long while. So it's finally happening and we're about to head there now. But before we go there, we're gonna go pick up Jay. We get Jay and then head on there.
So the location of our team dinner is all the way in Nunawading. We're still in the north. We've just got to go pick up the brother Jay, like Tuck said, and then we'll head on over to the east. It takes about like an hour, 45 minutes, depending on traffic. I feel like we will get there fast because the traffic would be light. It's school holidays. It's a Sunday. And I'm so excited because I've never been to a Korean barbecue. Is it Korean, just a Korean restaurant, right?
I think so.
I've never been to a Korean restaurant and I'm just excited. You know that food is life to me. Don't worry fam, I am still working out. I have slacked off this week, but I will be getting back on the grind tomorrow. So let me just have this last hurrah until I go back into my diet. How's your diet going, honey?
Yeah, it's gone out the gates, fam. It's gone out the gates.
Never give up. Keep going, keep striving, keep motivated, keep pushing. You will eventually hit your goal, and that is what I truly believe in. I feel like I will eventually hit my dream weight, and I know it's taken me freaking years, but I don't care because I will eventually get there. Yeah, mate. But yeah, fam. So that's what's been happening with our diet. Alright fam, so we had to come get our son. Where are we going?
Alright, right now we're going to band dinner. Yeah, this band dinner has been planned for ages and kept getting, you know, set back, postponed. But now it's finally happening and we're making that trip down to Nunawading. Let's go.
Okay, we just got here, family. It is raining.
Yeah, but they still have more.
It's raining.
I think.
So we're having dinner here. We're here. Ooh. Hi.
Hello.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Hi, Sana. Oh, everyone, I thought we were late.
Bonnie, I thought she'd be the first one here.
Okay fam, so this restaurant is a Korean all you can eat and I'm so excited. I don't really eat Korean food, so I'm excited to try this out and wow. Okay, so half of the team is running late. We're gonna grab our feed because Sana and them are already eating, so we might as well just eat as well. And then hopefully everyone else gets here soon. Okay, honey, explain what you've got.
Okay, family, so have some kind of mushroom thingo, dumplings, sapasui, some fried rice, and a little octopus here. Then we're gonna try for use.
Don't see my dad already told me how to.
Sarah's good at using chopsticks. Oh shit.
And you got it on camera now. Okay, fam. So I've got sushi, and it's a prawn sushi with dumplings, and I think this is sapasui. I don't know what it is in English or Korean. Chop suey. Chop suey. And then we've got these Jay.
Your fried dumplings. Like.
Fried dumpling. We'll call it fried dumpling.
Yeah.
This over here is like spicy pork, and I think this is just beef.
Lamb.
I think.
Oh yeah.
Lamb?
Lamb, mate.
It looks like mince.
Oh, yeah, beef then.
And then we've got this octopus here that Tux, Jay, and I will be trying.
Oh man, I'm scared.
So right now, guys, I got fried rice, got sushi,
Oh.
I got the beef lamb stuff, the pork spicy dumplings. Hey, these are dumplings.
Yeah.
And then these are the fried dumplings. Look at me, pick that up. See that? And then I got this squid. Oh wait.
Little octopus.
I don't know how to pick this
And what
up.
is octopus and salmon?
Oh. Apakaki.
Oh no, fit
Yeah,
We're gonna try the octopus first. We're gonna try this one first. Are you ready, Jay?
A few moments later.
Whoever spits it out has to shout next week Sunday's lunch. You ready? Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey.
That's nice.
It's not nice.
Nah, man, that's tasty.
I think I like it.
Well, thank you, Lord, for the rest of my food. Amen.
Amen. That was good. Oh, none of us are shouting.
Crab. It's crab, hey.
Everyone, this is Michaela. Michaela is Sana, our band leader's oldest daughter. And this is his youngest daughter. Okay, so we're just gonna eat and then... But really, changed his mind.
I don't know.
They need fried chicken. I think it's still cooking.
I really want to learn how to use chopsticks. See how serious.
Where's your chopsticks? Don't know how to. What? Where's my what? Your chopsticks. Yeah.
Fam, how do you say hello in Korean?
Konnichiwa.
No.
Yes?
Japanese.
Oh. Mahalo. Oh no.
Yin yang.
Engyang. Engyong. I don't know. I don't know how. Comment down below if you know how to say hello in Korean. 안녕하세요. Yeah. Next minute. 안녕하세요.
Just want to introduce you to Johnny. Johnny Onasa.
Yeah, mate, how's it going?
How's it going, bro?
Yeah, good, mate. Yeah, just enjoying the Korean fish.
You see the little nugget over there, she's sleeping away.
Yeah. Little Korean nugget.
Little Asian nugget. Yeah, this is what they made.
Yeah.
This is what they made.
Oh man, we'll leave you to it.
Thanks, mate.
You got the denim on denim, brother. And we've also got another member of the JJWT. Her name is Lavon. Lavon, she plays. No, she doesn't play anymore. She sings.
No, so when we're down on our keyboard or string players, Von jumps on. So she plays. She's actually multi-talented, actually. Hey sis, multicultural.
Multicultural. Sister Mel.
Hi guys. This girl was the one who swerved me. Rude.
You on the team?
So I sing voice. I sing alto. And sometimes when I want to, I sing tenor.
So can you give us a little sample of the alto voice?
Oh, I can't because it's sacred. It's only for church.
Jay, tell the family what you do on the team, brother.
I'm the worship leader. Most of you don't know, but I was the first band leader of JJWT back in the days. I gave up my spot to the leader right now because I thought, it's time to hang up the boots. So I was taking a backup spot when I play the strings.
You're a good man.
When the head office approved the singers leave and there's no more singers, the leader asked me to join the front line. Some numbers. But yeah, that's what I did the team. So Tana, just tell the TNS fam your role in the band.
My role is he's I'm a slam dunker. Leader of JJWT. And this is our band outing. We haven't had one in a while, but it's good to catch up with everyone. We've got a few missing faces here, but it's good to see everyone here tonight.
Peace. And David, can you tell everybody your role in JJWT?
I just tag along. I'm the bass player, and that's about it. I always, JJ's always looking at me play.
Hey guys, if you don't know, that bass player right there, number one, man. I look at him because I look at him for the chords, he plays the bass on.
Shazza. Sorry to come unexpected. Can you just tell the family what you do on the team?
I am the mother. No, I'm part of the I sing soprano in the band with Sarah.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Can you give us a little taste of the soprano that you're telling us about?
Sorry, I'm eating. Come back to me saying half an hour maybe.
Thank you, Shazza.
Okay fam, so we're gonna play a game while we are in the restaurant. So don't mind the background noise, but this game is, so we're gonna watch something and the first person to take their eyes off wins. Warning, this is not for the faint-hearted. Oh, do you see it? Okay, let's just replay that right now, girl.
That is behind the play. It's a 2-0. Chicago using timeout. Chris Dunn is hurt. On the side. No one. Oh goodness. No.
One. Next. He's ready? Go. Warning.
Wait, what happened?
Don't move your eyes.
mark.
Oh my goodness, look
They
at
must
this.
have fun of it, mate. Oz and Jill, they must have. Inner West Youngin. I'll say thanks. What the?
Thanks everybody. Look, David. First one to look away.
Oh, man. Oh.
Hey guys! One, who's so sad?
Oh, you looked away. Replay. Use the replay. Okay, fam. So we have just gotten home, changed out of our clothes. You know, guys, I hate it when I do this, but I always tend to tie my hair really tight that I get a headache. So I was getting a headache at the restaurant. As soon as we jumped in the car, I just released the pony. I mean, I had a ponytail like over here. I released it and the headache just went away. If you're a girl, or even if you're a guy and you have the, what's that look? Like what sister has? Owen? A man bun. I just heard what you said, so. If you have a man bun and you know what I'm talking about, when the hair is too tight and then you get a migraine, then the release that you get when you take off your hair tie, it's like a, yeah.
Alright family, so we're about to close this vlog off. So if you have come this far into the vlog and you like what you have watched, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up down there. I think it starts off dark grey, but when you push it,
And when you push it, it goes blue.
and also don't forget to subscribe if you want to.
Yes, it is free, so why not join the TNS family? But you know what? If you're a loyal TNS fan, or if you're just a viewer and you don't want to be a viewer no longer, and you want to join the TNS fam, just click that subscribe button down below.
Go for it.
Click it now.
But yes family, also don't forget to follow us on our socials, at tux_Sarah on Instagram. Follow us, we do get active on the stories and stuff, but yes. Alright family, thank you for watching. Don't forget to
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.